Have you ever wondered why some people naturally command attention the moment they enter a room, while others effortlessly win hearts with their warmth? Why are some born leaders, some deeply emotional, and others fearless action takers? The answer may lie in one of the most powerful points in your birth chart, the ascendant, also known as the rising sign. In this first episode of our special three-part series, we'll explore how the Sunday, Moon, and Mars shape your personality, appearance, behavior, relationships, and even your approach to life when they occupy the ascendant. If you're interested in understanding your birth chart in greater detail, we've published a comprehensive blog on this topic. You'll find the link in the description below. So, let's begin our fascinating journey into the world of Vedic astrology and discover what your ascendant reveals about you. Imagine meeting someone for the very first time. Before they speak a single word, you've already formed an impression about them. They may appear confident, gentle, energetic, or mysterious. In Vedic astrology, that powerful first impression is largely influenced by your ascendant. The ascendant, or rising sign, is the zodiac sign that was rising on the eastern horizon at the exact moment you were born. It changes roughly every 2 hours, making it one of the most personal and unique elements of your horoscope. Think of it as the front door of your personality. It shapes your physical appearance, body language, natural reactions, and the way the world perceives you before people truly get to know you. Understanding your ascendant is like discovering the cover page of your life's story. Many people know their sun sign because it's based simply on their date of birth. But in Vedic astrology, the ascendant is often considered even more personal because it depends on your exact birth time and place. While your sun sign represents your inner identity, who you truly are, the ascendant represents the personality you express to the world. Now here's where it becomes truly fascinating. When a planet occupies the ascendant, its influence becomes remarkably powerful. It's as though that planet is standing right at the entrance of your life, coloring your appearance, your behavior, your decision making, and even the opportunities that come your way. Every planet tells a different story. Let's begin with the king of all planets, the magnificent sun. Have you ever noticed someone who naturally becomes the center of attention without making any effort? That's often the unmistakable signature of the sun in the ascendant. These individuals radiate confidence, authority, and purpose. They possess a magnetic presence that inspires others to follow them. Leadership comes naturally, whether in business, public service, politics, or entrepreneurship. They're energetic, determined, honest, and rarely afraid of taking responsibility. But every strength carries a lesson. Sometimes their confidence can quietly transform into pride. They may find criticism difficult to accept or unintentionally dominate conversations without realizing it. When they learn to balance confidence with humility, they become inspiring leaders who motivate people not through power, but through example. The sun doesn't merely shine, it illuminates everyone around it. If the sun leads with confidence, the moon leads with compassion. People with the moon in the ascendant possess an extraordinary ability to understand emotions. They often sense what others are feeling long before a word is spoken. Their calm presence makes people feel comfortable, safe, and genuinely understood. You'll often notice their expressive eyes, gentle smile, and approachable personality. They're the people friends naturally turn to during difficult times because they know they'll be heard without judgment. However, such emotional sensitivity can also become overwhelming. Absorbing everyone's worries may leave them mentally and emotionally exhausted. That's why emotional boundaries, peaceful routines, creative expression, and moments of solitude are essential for maintaining balance. The moon reminds us that true strength isn't always loud sometimes. It's found in kindness, empathy, and the quiet ability to heal another person's heart. If the moon represents compassion, Mars represents action. People with Mars in the ascendant are born with the spirit of a warrior. They are energetic, courageous, competitive, and never afraid to face challenges head on. While others may hesitate, Mars ascendant natives are usually the first to step forward. Whether it's starting a business, leading a difficult project, competing in sports, or protecting their loved ones, they thrive when life demands courage and decisive action. But such powerful energy must be guided wisely. Impatience, impulsive decisions, and a quick temper can sometimes create unnecessary conflicts, especially in personal relationships. The secret lies in discipline. Regular exercise, meditation, martial arts, or any activity that channels physical energy positively helps transform Mars into a powerful force for success. Mars teaches us that real strength is not just about winning battles, it's about mastering ourselves. Let's put these three fascinating personalities side by side. Imagine three people walking into the same room. The first instantly attracts attention. People naturally look towards them for direction. That's the influence of the sun. The second quietly smiles, listens with genuine interest, and within minutes, everyone feels comfortable around them. That's the gentle energy of the moon. The third walks in with confidence, takes charge when a problem appears, and isn't afraid to make difficult decisions. That's the fearless spirit of Mars. None of these personalities is superior to another. The sun teaches leadership, the moon teaches compassion, Mars teaches courage. Each planet offers a unique gift, and each also brings lessons that help us grow. The real purpose of astrology isn't to compare ourselves with others, it's to understand our own strengths and use them wisely. By now, you may be wondering, do I have one of these planets in my ascendant? Fortunately, finding out is easier than ever. Generate your birth chart using your exact date of birth, accurate birth time, and place of birth through a reliable Vedic astrology website or software. Locate the first house, also known as the ascendant. If the Sun, Moon, or Mars is placed there, the characteristics we've discussed today are likely to play a significant role throughout your life. Remember, even a small difference in birth time can change the ascendant completely. That's why recording an accurate birth time is so important in astrology. In our next episode, we'll continue this fascinating journey as we explore Mercury, Jupiter, and Venus, three planets that influence intelligence, wisdom, prosperity, communication, creativity, relationships, and much more. You certainly won't want to miss it. Today, we've explored how the Sun, Moon, and Mars can transform your personality when they occupy the ascendant, the most personal house in your birth chart. Perhaps you recognize yourself in the confidence of the Sun, the empathy of the Moon, or the fearless determination of Mars. And remember, astrology isn't about labeling people, it's about understanding yourself so that you can make better choices and unlock your true potential. This is only part 1 of our special 3-part series. In part 2, we'll discover how Mercury sharpens the mind, Jupiter expands wisdom and good fortune, and Venus blesses life with beauty, creativity, charm, and harmonious relationships. If you're passionate about learning practical astrology explained in a simple and meaningful way, you're in the right place. On Variety is the Spice of Life, we also bring you inspiring content on health and fitness, delicious food, thought-provoking stories, music, and much more, all designed to enrich your everyday life. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we publish the next part of this exciting astrology series. Until we meet again, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, the stars may influence your journey, but your choices shape your destiny. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in part 2.